Hello there, today I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful garden water fountain. It comes nicely packaged and well protected. I love the beautiful vintage stone design. It's got a really nice, mysterious look to it. I also love the peaceful sound that the flowing water makes. It's also great that it comes fully assembled and takes only minutes to get it going. Here's a closer look at the beautiful stone design. I love how realistic it is. The LED lights add a stunning effect, whether it be day or night. I highly recommend this lovely water fountain.